What if I told you that you could legally pay your child and your own kid through your LLC, write off every single dollar as a business expense, and have them pay little to zero taxes on it? And no, this is not a loophole. This is not a gray area. This is a completely legal tax strategy that the IRS itself allows, and most business owners have absolutely no idea it even exists. In fact, the IRS estimates that millions of small business owners overpay their taxes every single year, simply because they don't know strategies like this one. So if you have kids, you run an LLC, and you want to keep more of your money legally, you need to watch this video until the very end, because what I'm about to share with you could save your family thousands of dollars every single year. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why this is legal. First, let's kill the myth right away. A lot of people hear hire your kids and they think that sounds like a scam, or the IRS is going to audit me. Here's the truth. The IRS tax code, specifically section 3121B3, actually exempts wages paid to children under 18 working for a parent-owned business from Social Security and Medicare taxes. That's FICA gone. And under the standard deduction for 2024, your child can earn up to $14,600 completely tax-free, meaning they pay zero federal income tax on that amount. Meanwhile, you deduct every dollar you pay them as a legitimate business expense, reducing your taxable income directly. This is legal. This is written into the tax code. And this is exactly why smart entrepreneurs use it. Section 2. How much can you pay your kids? The number everyone wants to know. For the tax year 2024, your child can earn up to $14,600 tax-free thanks to the standard deduction. That's roughly $1,200 a month. And here's where it gets powerful. You as the business owner deduct that entire amount. So if you're in the 22% or higher tax bracket, you're essentially turning money you would have paid to the government into tax-free income for your family. Think about that. You're not losing that money. You're redirecting it to your child who pays nothing on it. And if you set up a Roth IRA in your child's name with those earned wages, you're also building their retirement fund from a young age. That's generational wealth, not just a tax trick. Section 3. What jobs can your kids actually do? Now here's the part where people get tripped up and where the IRS does pay attention. The work must be real, it must be legitimate, and it must be age appropriate. Here are jobs that genuinely qualify. Social media management. Your teenager can film, edit, and post content for your business. This is real, valuable work. Administrative tasks, filing, data entry, organizing documents. Even a 10-year-old can do this with supervision, product modeling, or brand photography. If your business sells physical products, your child can appear in photos or videos. Clerical work, answering emails, printing, packaging, labeling, content creation, writing captions, creating graphics with tools like Canva, managing a Pinterest board. The golden rule here, whatever job you assign, document it like you would for any employee. Have a clear role, clear tasks, and keep records. We'll talk more about that in just a second. Section 4. The right way to do it, IRS compliant. This strategy is powerful, but only if you do it correctly. Here's exactly what you need to do. Step 1. Pay a reasonable wage. The IRS will scrutinize payments that seem inflated. If your 10-year-old is managing social media for USD $5,000 a month, that's a red flag. Pay a wage that reflects the actual work and what you'd pay a non-family member to do the same job. Step 2. Keep a paper trail. Create a simple job description. Track their hours. Pay them via check or direct transfer, not cash. Keep timesheets. Step 3. Set up payroll correctly. Yes, even for family. Your child needs to be properly added to your business payroll. Services like Gusto or Wave make this simple. Step 4. Consult a CPA. This strategy works, but a qualified tax professional ensures you're applying it to your specific LLC structure correctly. Now, if you don't have an LLC yet, or you want to make sure yours is set up properly, platforms like Northwest Registered Agent, Zen Business, or Bazee make it extremely easy to form and manage your LLC at very affordable rates. Northwest in particular is known for their privacy-first approach and excellent customer support, worth checking out. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about the mistakes that get people in trouble, because this strategy is only powerful when it's clean. Mistake number 1. Paying your kids without documentation, no paperwork, no deduction. The IRS will deny it. Mistake number 2. Overpaying for basic tasks. Keep wages reasonable and proportional to the actual work. Mistake number 3. Not actually having your kids do the work. If your child isn't genuinely working, this is tax fraud, not a strategy. The work must be real. Mistake number 4. Ignoring state payroll rules. Federal rules are favorable, but your state may have its own requirements. Always check your state's rules or use a compliance tool like Harbor Compliance to stay on top of it. Mistake number 5, forgetting to file their taxes. Even if they owe zero, if they earned wages, they may still need to file a return. So let's recap, because this is genuinely one of the most underutilized tax strategies for LLC owners out there. You can legally hire your children, pay them up to $14,600 tax-free, deduct every dollar as a business expense, and even start building their retirement fund, all while teaching them real business skills. The key? Do it right. Document everything. Pay a fair wage. And talk to a CPA. If this video helped you, drop a comment below with the word hired. I want to know how many of you are going to actually use this strategy. And if you haven't set up your LLC yet, or you're wondering which service is right for you, I've done a full comparison video right here that breaks down Northwest versus Zen Business versus LegalZoom. So make sure you check that out next. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute legal or tax advice. Please consult a qualified CPA or attorney for advice tailored to your situation.